How's it going, everybody? We're doing intake air temp today on an 04 Toyota Corolla with a 1.8 liter engine. I am Gavin, and this is Larry over here. We're gonna start with the wiring diagram. That's gonna be a little bit hard to see, but this is my MAF sensor 5-wire. Right here you see we have our battery plus. We have our signal wire up here. We have our ground wire right here, and then right here all the way to the right we have our temperature sensor, and then we have another ground right over here. Now if you see right here on our scan tool, we are currently, to focus, we have right here currently 96.8 degrees Fahrenheit right there for our air temp. I'll try and show you in here, but I don't have a very good light, but that's my MAF sensor right there. It's inside of my air filter box. So Larry over here is going to blow our heat gun in here, and we're going to raise the temperature up. And as you see, when I switch to the Pico, as the air temperature increases, we are currently sitting at a 1.8 volts. So what we are going to start, you have it on top, right? One more up. Okay. So we're going to start heating up our intake air temp right now. As you see on the scan tool, it is starting to go up. I'm just going to move this over here so we can watch at the same time. As the temperature goes up, so as our temperature goes up, our voltage is dropping right now, as you can see, and we are now up to 190 degrees, 208 degrees Fahrenheit for intake air. So as you see, yeah, we're gonna start cooling it off now. So might take a little bit, but we're gonna start working on that now. So as you see, our temperature is now starting to drop. We are down to 195 degrees, back from our 214 that we were at. So as it's starting to cool off, you can see our voltage is now starting to rise again. We are back up to at least 0.7 volts, and we are sitting at about 158 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And our voltage is now starting to go up as our temperature is starting to get cooler on our intake air temp. So that's pretty much how an intake air temp works. Thank you for joining us today. I am Gavin, and this is Larry.